And good people, thank Baba God o, Baba God don still allow us see another day o. Today my yarnings go be about the Cubana chief prince and the Burna Boy issue. The matter don dey long, the matter don dey funny because everybody don dey do gbas dey go now. Who dey win for the fight as e be like dis so? The fight e funny man, e just funny. But last sha, the matter e dey must me at the time so, because when the matter start some few days ago, e just first be like joke wey Burna Boy post dat sub as e call am Owerri cross, oga catch the sub, oga throw im own, everybody dey throw am. Now when Burna Boy first talk dat level say make dem go find dat im brother come, say go give am dat $30k, everybody first feel say na cruise based on normal talk na, but e shock me today I no go lie. Really Odogwu get doings. Who come be dey rain money na water na? Odogwu really get doings. When I see the level when Burna Boy really call the guy come say give the guy dat $30k, na I say really Odogwu get doings. Odogwu no be nickname I swear, no be nickname. The thing e funny, the fight just dey funny me because last na the people wey dey ground na im come dey benefit. Even dat alleged Cubana chief prince baby mama, the thing e dey make everybody laugh. Last like play, dat woman life wan change so for the better. E no be say e wan change so, e don change like dis o because Odogwu go follow up to the end o. Dis matter fit start like play, the matter don dey serious now. Whether na show of power o, nobody know. At least Cubana chief prince now don reply say no be brother, dat guy no be brother, say dat pikin no be im get am. Im now don talk say na since na show of power make pipu start show power, say dem must comot dis guy Speedality comot for prison, comot for jail. And normal dem say tomorrow na Speedality court hearing, so make we see how the matter dey go tomorrow. But you know what sha, e get one thing wey Cubana chief prince talk at the end of dat im message, at the end of dat im post for Instagram, when e talk say something along the line say make everybody go hustle for their money, say after all na im money, e no owe anybody anything, but everybody with their own sha o. But as I take dey so I believe say I owe my family something. I no believe say I go get money, you know wetin dey call money? I go get money wey be say I dey comfortable, my family dey comfortable, as in I dey fit dey afford things. I no go set up my family go dey well. When I set you, if I fit achieve and I set you up, if na you come misuse the funds na you know, but to me I no like dat statement wey pipu dey always dey make say you no owe your family anything, make everybody go find their money. I no dey like dat statement, I no dey like when pipu dey talk am because I feel say e no go bad if you rich, make your family member still rich. As Tiwa Savage talk for dat song, one person no dey make convoy, e no get how e wan take be. Nobody be island because e get some kind rich men, dem go tell you say dem first get before dem go fall, but na most times na the people wey be say you see help take gather na im go fit still catch you when you wan fall. And my people, how una reason dis story? Normally if you get, you believe dat gist of say you no owe anybody anything, you no owe your family member anything, but no wahala, make we still dey see how the gist go take unfold now. But so far the story na two big men, when say when two big men dey fight, dem no dey take side, you just sit down one corner, you just dey observe them. But anyhow sha, as e dey be like dis so, una thank una o, make dey lis ten, make dey share, make dey like, but make una no still forget to continue to dey like, to continue to dey share, to continue to dey follow, dey subscribe. My people, una doh.